how the water is coming out. This is the improper work, this is the blockage line. If this thing is not taken care, you can see the length of this wall is 1.446 meter. These dimensions will be taken down on the measurement sheets. This measurement of the MCB and ELCB. If the earthing is not available in socket and something has happened, some damages inside this socket is done, it's a shock circuit or something, the MCB, LCB will not read. That's the of the particular window frame. This is the damage polish, this is the damage polish, this is the damage coating of the windows. Now once again you can see this each and everywhere. The voltage of this socket is 232 volts. That means there are the 8 volt of this is 240 volts.
Hi, Nitin here from propcheckup.com. Today I will show you how we use thermal imaging technology to detect the leakage at the joints from the silicons or from the ACB kind of work done in your window works. So I will show you, this is one of the reputed developers flat in the Mumbai, where we show you using thermal technology we detect the leakage in particular window. Come here. Come here please. So actually leakage is here, but if you couldn't see anything like there, but there is a 2 or 3 spot can seen by here, the leakage is coming out. But when we use the thermal technology, this is our thermal camera. This is my inspector Anand. So you can see here, this is the spot where the leakage is coming out. Using the thermal technology, we use this technology to detect any kind of leakage, seepage issues in your flat or in your apartment. To get the property checked by the home inspection company like PropCheckup, please contact us on propcheckup.com. Thank you.
I will show you the blockage line. This is the flat by the reputed developer in the Mumbai. Due to the blockage line, water is flowing out of the outlet and whole kitchen living room gets wetted due to the improper working by the plumbing team. I can show you the leakage. Also, I can show you the blockage. This is how the water is coming out. This is the improper work. This is the blockage line. If this thing is not taken care before the possessions, it will be hamper you are living in this flat. Because it has to be taken out of each and every outlet, taken out, and damaged thing has to be repaired. It is not advisable to live in this kind of flat. You have to check these things by the third party inspection team like PropCheckup. They will do the proper each and every snagging of your flat, check each and everything with latest tools and technology, so you can avoid this kind of problem before moving your flat. Hi guys, Nitin here from propcheckup.com. This is our team working on find out the carpet area. To find out carpet area, we use laser machines to actual area to derive on the particular walls. This is the measurement tools called the laser meters, where you can see the length of this wall is 1.446 meter. These dimensions will be taken down on the measurement sheets. This measurement sheet will be now converted into the AutoCAD drawings once this all measurement will be finished. On that we can derive the actual carpet area of this flat. Thank you. This is Nitin here from propcheckup.com.
Nitin here from propcheckup.com. Today we will show you our latest tools and technology used by us to do proper home inspection. For electric inspection, we use socket tester to check out the proper earthing is available or not available in that particular socket or the switches. Yes, this is the instruments we use to find out the earthings properly done or not done. Now you can see there are the 5 parameters shown in this circuit. First is correct earthing is available when the 2 green light will be flashed. That means the correct earthing is passed. Now I will switch on the buttons to check it out this socket has proper earthing or not. Now it's showing the only one green light is flashing here. That means we can see the missing earthing. In this socket, this is the latest technology showing that the earthing is not properly done with this socket. The earthing is the main part to functionality of the MCB and ELCB. If the earthing is not available in socket or something has happened, some damages inside this socket is done, it's a shock circuit or something, the MCB, LCB will not read. That means
we have to carefully check that the earthing is available or not available. For this, we use this socket tester machines for checking the earthing. This socket is not equipped with the proper earthing. I will show you the next socket if there is earthing is available or not available. This is the next socket. This is socket is switch off. Now I show you the earthing is available or not available. Now both the green light is flashing. That means the earthing is properly done with this point. This is the correct way to do the earthing, and the socket testers, the technology tools is showing that the earthing is properly done. This is how crop checkup team will ensure that your flat has proper earthing. Without the proper earthing, MCB, LCB will not read, and that means the earthing or the shock kind of things will be happen if the proper earthing is not available. In our socket, there are other parameters also. One thing is the correct earthing, second is the missing earthing, then third is the live arc revision, live neutral revision, and the missing neutral. This is the socket we use to do proper inspection of electric equipment available in the flat. The proper window inspections. We will do check each and everything. This is the lock. The lock should be properly working. If the lock is working, if the lock, it will not remove from here. This is the second lock in this window. This is the second lock. This is the lock. We are closing it. But you can see, even after the closing, even after the each and everything was done, but this lock is not working. That means this lock is damaged or lock is not functional. Another thing is that we will check each and every stripping was properly done or not done. Here you can see the stripping, extra stripping was put in here only, they are not removed, and this is not a proper way to do the work. Now you can come down, this is the incomplete work in the window. This strip should be there, it is not there with the incomplete work. Now you can see the finishing of the particular window frame. This is the damage polish, this is the damage polish. This is the damage coating of the windows. Now once again you can see this each and every here. You can see the improper work, improper finishing. You can see the damage in the window frame. This is how my team will check each and everything, every part of the window, if the proper glass is there or not, if any damage in the glass is there or not. This way the crop checkup team will help you before taking the possession or even before coming to live in your flat. If any snag, if any defect will be there, crop checkup team will take care for that and make this note and provide a comprehensive inspection report. So you can use this report to developer, to rectify each and everything before you move in or before you start living in your flat. You can hear from cropcheckup.com. We use latest tools and technology to do inspection, to do snagging. Here we use to find out actual voltage in your electric socket and circuits. We use the clamp meter where we can digitally show you the actual voltage available in the socket. You can see this is the meter, this is the clamp meter. This clamp meter showing the voltage of this socket is 232 volts. That means there are the 8 volts of 240 volts electric current is passing in the socket, but due to voltage stabilization, this is the 238 volts is available in this socket. This is the things we can use to find out the actual voltage is passing from the sockets and the circuits available in the flat. This is the latest tools and technology used by crop checkup to do proper inspection in the each and every flat. Thank you.